Welcome to the YouTube channel Just Information. I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn Class 8 Physics Chapter Center of Gravity, and this is our Part 4. In this part, first of all we'll start from Thrill in Store. We will learn some questions. So first question is, it is a matter of fact that a person can have different positions like sitting, standing, bending, etc. being in same place. How is it possible? So the answer is that it is on account of the reason that a person at the same place can have different positions as sitting, standing, bending, etc. But because of change in the distance between center of gravity and center of earth on which he stands. Next question is, racing cars are the fastest cars and the speed of these cars is very high. While racing, even though they take sharp turns and curves, they do not overturn. Can you explain the principle behind it? So the principle is that in the case of racing cars, they have a broad base and a very low center of gravity. The line of action always falls within their base. This makes the cars more stable even though they take sharp turns and curves. Next question is, we have seen some people walking on a straight rope like this. If this is a rope, the man is walking straight, balancing himself on it. So, it is a common act we see in a circus, but how does he manage to walk on a rope? By just balancing a bamboo pole or rope. So, this question's answer is, it is on account of the reason that in the case of tight-rope walking, he changes the orientation of the pole such that the line of action falls within the base. The total weight passes through the rope, and so he does not fall down. When the man finds that he is falling towards left, he shifts his bamboo pole towards right so that his center of gravity stays undisturbed. Thus, he can balance himself on the rope. I hope you have understood this thrill in stores, all the questions based. Now, we'll learn the new topic, and the name of the topic is stability of bodies. Stability of bodies. Consider a book placed in three different positions, like position A. If this is a table, the book is placed like this. B. If again this is the table, the book is placed like this in a horizontal way. And in third option it is like this, sleeping on the table. So when the same force is applied on all these positions, the book in positions A and B falls easily, whereas in position C it hardly gets affected. Let us try to analyze the reason behind it. If we observe the above figures, we see that the base of book in position C is large and height is less when compared to the base area and height of the book in position A and B. The center of gravity of the book, the position C, is at a lesser height. So the book is more stable in this position. Now conclusions. First conclusion is that a body with the center of gravity at a lesser height is more stable than a body with center of gravity at a greater height. Like, first we'll do over here. Here the first point, here the second. So the diagrams are like this. A body with small height with this center of gravity. A body with big height with this center of gravity. Here height 1 is less than height 2. Hence the first one is more stable than the second. So this is more stable. In second point, that is, a body with large base area is more stable than a body with small base area. So it is like the heights are same. Here the bases were same. Here the heights are same, but the base area is different. The base area is different. The heights are same. And this is the center of gravity. Center of gravity. Here center of gravity. Here area 1 is greater than area 2, hence the first one is more stable than the second. Now, this stability of any body depends on the base area and the height of the center of gravity. As we learned, it depends on the height of the center of gravity and base area of the center of gravity. The lower the center of gravity and the broader the base of a body, the line of action falls within the base of the body and hence the greater is stability. I hope you have understood till this. In part 5, as this chapter is small, so in part 5 we'll learn about equilibrium, types of equilibrium, and after that we'll finish this chapter as it was not too much lengthy, and in next part we'll learn to start the new chapter, and the name of the new chapter is light. I hope you have understood this part. For any queries and doubt, you can join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. Like, this is the foundation of class 8. We have covered the foundation of class 7th too. The links are given in the description. Please go and check through it. I hope you have understood. Thank you for watching.